Now the seller is still responsible for paying the listing agent however much they want to, but now the buyer is responsible for paying the buyer's agent. Now that can be covered by things like seller concessions, and those seller concessions can still be made public, like the sort of approved level of seller concessions can still be made public in the listing. But it's a much more like, if in a high competition environment, a seller says, you know what, like, come and get it. Like, the buyer should be the one paying their buyer's agent. We're not going to approve any concessions, seller concessions, any money, any rebates to cover the buyer's agent. That might mean you, the buyer, are on the hook for paying whatever you've agreed to pay in advance, because now a buyer's agent can't show you a home unless you have an exclusive agreement with them. You uh, you would be on the hook for paying 1, 2, 3% of the purchase price, and those numbers aren't nothing. 3% of a $400,000 house is 12,000 extra dollars in potential cash outlay.